I think I've learned from these guys, never tell your handicap to anyone.
Yeah, exactly.
Otherwise, you won't get shots. That's how you can con these guys. Otherwise, there's no chance. But as I said, IGPL hopefully changes the way golf is played in India. As we all spoke about it, I think we have some great stories with Shiv and SSP. I played with them. I heard their stories. I've also played with Jeev Milkha, who's a big legend in our game. The guys on the senior tour, after 50, it's really hard on the body, and the guy is just relentless. I really hope that the next generation of players try to be like them and better. And then I think IGPL will give them the opportunity to be fearless and go out there and, try and win, try and be the best in the world and bring a lot of laurels to the country. I definitely agree with Kapil Paji. He said 2,000, I would have scored 3,000. Because now the rules have changed of cricket, so you can score more runs. But I definitely agree with him. The reason is, and I think it's a very good learning for the media as well, right? In cricket, you don't get another opportunity. In golf, you play a bad shot, you can hit a good shot and come back on the hole. If you get out, you're sitting in the room for 3 days thinking about what I'm going to do next game. But if the second day you would have just got out and played golf with your friends, you go to a game with a fresh mind. But I think it's also for media to understand that if you practice every day your own game, sometimes it's good to go and play another sport and come fresh on the park.
Yeah.
So if suppose India is playing, and if we are playing one day and there's a gap of 3 days, and the guy goes and play golf, half of the time we don't go play because you guys are going to say, "Ye to cricket ki practice nahi kar rahe." So that mindset also has to change. The more fresh you are, the better the performance is going to come.
Yeah.
And I tell all the young cricketers as well that, try and play golf, try and go to the range, hit the ball, see how you feel. Because sometimes too much practice is also not good for you. Sometimes when you're not scoring runs, you want to practice more. With golf as well, you want to hit more balls. But sometimes it's good to relax as well. So I think it's just a learning for all of us. I have told them to play golf and I encourage them to play whenever they have time. But because of the busy calendar, it's very hard to find time. But I think, IPL is a good time for them to actually find time and hit some balls. And it's up to them. Now they're superstars of the game. And they have to decide what's going to help them to be better. If golf can be something, then they have to decide that. But I encourage all the athletes to play golf. I think it's a great way to unwind and it's a great way to be with your friends out there. And it's great for the mind. See, it clearly depends on how much you play, how much you relax. I feel that any sport that helps you relax is going to be less taxing on the body, more fruitful for the mind. So as I said, I encourage all the young cricketers. And if you see the culture of golf, right? It's big in Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, England. All the best cricketers, or majority of the best cricketers, have played golf from a very young age.
Yeah.
And you see a lot of these guys actually play a lot of golf and less cricket practice during tours. Because you can't change something in your game in 3 days. But how can you recover and be mentally fresh for the game? We're just talking about that. So I just feel it's just not cricket. For any sporting person who plays any sport in the world should play golf, because eventually it will bring out the best in them in their sport. I truly believe that.
The IGPL. Thank you.
I think that's more of a question, Mr. Mandi, but that's what we hope for, and it'll be great if we can get there. If IGPL can change the face of Indian golf and world golf, and we get to that level there where the best players in the world want to come and play in the IGPL, I mean, that's the dream. And, we have a great team. We have some great players who are sitting here with me, and hopefully we can achieve that in the future.
The parallels between the two sports.
Well, the love for the game, I can say that I just had a slip disc playing too much golf.
We have something in common.
Yeah, exactly. And just trying to get fitter and getting back just to play golf. I think in cricket you used to, probably when you were younger, it's easier. You know, when you're getting older, you have to work harder on your body.
Yeah.
But I think the love for the game, as I just spoke about it, how it started, you know, when I stopped playing cricket. As I said, I regretted if I was started early. And I think, as ma'am said, you know, IGPL is going to be, you know, it's going to be a new world of golf, and a lot of young men and women, youngsters competing in the world of golf. And I think this is what golf needed in India.
Yeah.
You know, somebody to come and support the game of golf and tell the guys and tell the girls, listen, you know, go and play golf. Don't worry about anything else.
Yeah.
We're going to come and support you. And, you know, just go out there and perform. Try and get to the best level. Try and, you know, be the best. As a sportsman, if I'm playing any sport, I want to be the best in the
Absolutely.
world. Not only just best in my city. I think IGPL is going to give you that platform to be the best in the world and play the league as well.
Yeah.
And hopefully IGPL becomes such a great league like an IPL, then the next 5 years guys don't have to go anywhere.
Absolutely.
You know, people want to come and compete
here.
in IGPL. So I think that's the whole thought process. Mr. Mandi obviously explained the vision behind the tour, the league and the grassroots level, what they want to do with schools and, you know, just how you can tell the locals to come and play the sport, experience it, new people to experience the sport, you know, fans of cricket to come and support the sport if some other cricketers come and play as well.
Yeah.
And yeah, just, you know, grow the sport in India. That's the whole point around this. I'm definitely watching my video a few kilos down now because I have to play golf. And just to be really excited to be part of IGPL because I feel that, you know, golf needs to grow in our country. I think it should be part of our culture. You know, when I was playing cricket, I always used to think that, you know, I could have played more matches, I could have done better. But I think when I started playing golf, I realized that probably that was my biggest regret, not starting golf at a young age.
Yeah.
And obviously, you know, played with a lot of golfers. My dear friend Shiv Kapoor is there, learned a few cricketing, golfing lessons from him.
He's a pretty handy cricketer as well, by the way.
Yeah, I should take our coach Sujan's name, otherwise he'll get offended. And yeah, try and get more shots from these guys now, learning the game. And I realized that it's such an amazing sport.
Yeah.
And, you know, and a golfer's life is so hard. You know, when you're going on tour, that you have to pay your bills, you have to make a cut.
Yeah.
And, you know, in cricket, we had the advantage with BCCI that we, from the under 16, under 19s, we never had to look after our daily allowance or, you know, renting a room and, you know, getting paid for whatever cricket you were playing.
Yeah.
So I think IGPL is providing that format to, especially the younger generation coming on board, that you don't have to worry about that.
Yeah.
And I think that will give a lot of confidence to younger talent to come on board. I feel going to the grassroots level is very important. And, you know, my foundation, UV Can, has been supporting a couple of young golfers. Yeah. But I think this is going to be a great format. I hope this changes the momentum of golf, because I think if you compare IGPL to, say, IPL, right? IPL changed the whole dynamics of Indian cricket and world cricket. And if IGPL can do that in golf, it'll be incredible to see that.
And that is the hope, to see the sport be revolutionized. And I think that's why we're here. I remember actually watching you test golf clubs for the first time, or first few times at Willingdon way back. And I know you now carry your set everywhere you go. So just a thought on the obsessive nature of the sport, because as you said, I think a key is to bring about more awareness to the sport, to make it more accessible. And that is one of the goals, isn't it, of the IGPL and yourself as well?
Yeah, definitely. I think it's a full tour, and then it's going to be the IGPL League, which is going to be fast, more paced, men and women both competing. Equality of the game, I think, is really important to motivate both men and women. And I think I really hope it changes the face of golf in India, and I'm sure it's going to, because the chairman Vijay Reddy has put in a lot of effort, created an amazing and a big team to create something like this. Something like this, you can only think, you can have a dream about it.
Yeah.
But to put it together, it's a lot of work. So, the reason also that I've come on board is to, help the sport grow.
Yeah.
Obviously, I want to see, the budding golfers, the current golfers to go to, better levels of golf, whether it's Asian Tour, European or PGA. I just want to see a lot of young golfers and our golfers do well. They're going to be Olympics coming soon.
Yeah.
It'll be great to have one of the guys getting a medal over there.
And a mixed team event, which is why this format is even better, I guess. So that helps.
Yeah, definitely it is. Golf is a global sport, and hopefully IGPL can make it really big in India and across the globe as well.